Hello, ladies and gentlemen. In this video, I will show you how to fix this error message that you can see here. When you are using Xampp server, you can see all those services have already started. Only MySQL that is not starting. As you can see, this is the error message here. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to fix it. Okay, go to your C drive, open this folder called Xampp, as most of the Xampp are installed on the C drive. So if you did install it on another folder or another drive, find the folder called Xampp. Okay. From here, you're going to look for a folder called MySQL. Okay, we're going to open it. Okay, so the folder we are going to deal with here is a folder called data. But before you do something, you need to back it up. You need to copy it. Okay? All right. So to do it, you press Control on your keyboard, click on this folder called Data, move it down here, and then leave the mouse. So it's going to make a copy of it in case. Okay? Cool. Next thing we are going to do is to open the folder called data, the one we make a copy of. Okay, we are going to open it, not this one. You open the folder called data. Okay, great. Now from here, what we are going to do, we are going to delete 4 folders from here. Okay, 4 folders, only 4 folders. So it's going to be, do not delete anything else. In my case, this is my database. Okay, so I'm not going to delete this one. So we are going to select this folder here called MySQL. We are going to delete. Select performance schema. So you press Control on your keyboard to select them all. And then we are going to select ESP and the last folder we are going to delete to select it test. So we got 4 folders. Remember, you only delete 4 folders here. Okay, so I already select them. Test, PSP MySQL, performance, schema. And then you come here, you click delete or you press delete on your keyboard. Okay, so when you are done, okay, you are going to select all those files here. Expect this one here. This one, do not select it. Okay, so when you're done selecting all those files, you press delete on your keyboard or you come to this icon here, you click delete. Okay, do not delete this file. Remember that. Okay, and when you're done, click delete. Okay, now go back to my SQL folder, this one here. Okay, open this folder called backup, this one here. Okay, copy all those files, Control A on your keyboard. Do not copy these files called IB data because we got it already. So we're not going to replace it or duplicate it. So copy all the files, all the folders, okay, because this is a clean backup, okay? So you copy, okay? Go back to MySQL folder, open data, and then paste the file you just copy from the backup folder. As you can see them here. This one, we didn't change it, okay? Now you can close this folder if you want to. Now let's try again to see if it will help. As you can see here, it has started. Okay, you can stop it or you can do whatever you want. I hope this video will help someone who is in need. Please don't forget to like it, share, and subscribe. Ciao.